Good news, everyone. New Zealand has opened up work rights to more partners of migrant workers. This means greater flexibility and opportunities for families and the workforce. Let's dive into what this change means for you. Hi friend, it's your girl, the Sassy engineer, your fave Niger Kiwi down under New Zealand. For many migrant families, the journey to New Zealand has been filled with hope and hard work. But until recently, one crucial piece was missing: the ability for partners of skilled workers to contribute freely to the workforce. In a significant move, the New Zealand government has announced that open work rights will now be available to more partners of migrant workers. And to me, this initiative will help families stay together and address skill shortages in various sectors. The immigration minister said, in summary, open work rights will be available to partners of accredited employer work visa holders in highly skilled roles who earn at least 80% of the median wage. Same rights will apply to accredited employer work visa holders in lower skilled roles if they are on the pathway to residence. This is such a huge turn of events. Remember in August 2024, just 4 months ago, I posted this video. Anyone that is holding an accredited employer work visa and is working in the ANSCO level 4 or 5 without pathway to residency are no longer able to support work, visitor, or student visa applications for their partner and dependent children. However, as I make this video, open work rights are now available to those who meet the criteria. For those already holding partner work visas with specific employment conditions, you can apply to vary your conditions to switch to open work rights if your partner meets any of the criteria. The policy change allows partners to work for any employer, providing greater economic opportunities and supporting family unity because, my dear, cost of living is not smiling. Trust me, people are moving out of New Zealand and most likely is because of reasons of family, not able to bring their family to join them. So this will really help New Zealand, to be honest. Remember, staying informed and understanding these changes can open up new opportunities for you and your family. That's why you should subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. According to Immigration New Zealand, this is a strategic move to address skills shortages in critical sectors like healthcare, education, while also helping New Zealand to be an attractive and supportive place for high-skilled migrants and their families, because this family issue is forcing people to leave New Zealand. I know that for a fact. So, who qualifies for this open right? All partners of accredited employer work visa holders in the ANSCO level 1 to 3, earning at least 25.29 an hour, are eligible. Even the ones who are already supporting a partner for a work visa on June 26, 2024 are also eligible. All partners of essential skill work visa holders earning at least $25.29 an hour are also eligible. Partners of accredited employer work visa holders in ASCO skill level 4 to 5 earning at least 47.49 New Zealand dollars an hour or 31.61 New Zealand dollars an hour in a green list role or 25.29 an hour in a role under the transport or care sector agreement also qualify. ASCO grade occupations begin from level 1, most skilled, to level 5, least skilled, just in case you're wondering. And this is also changing soon. If you meet the criteria as stated in this video, you can now apply for variation of condition or a new work visa. I think these changes are positive steps towards creating a more inclusive and dynamic workforce in New Zealand. At least that's what it will seem like. And it's not just going to be contributing to the country's economic growth, it's also going to be supporting families, keeping them together. Because I have videos on my channel about accredited employer work visa, as well as different videos on how you can bring your family to New Zealand. So make sure you check that out. For more information on how to apply, visit the official Immigration New Zealand website. For more updates on immigration policies and opportunities in New Zealand, life in New Zealand, settling and everything, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out the description box for links on how to apply for accredited employer work visa, how to apply for these open work visas, and how to bring your family to New Zealand. It's your girl, the Sassy engineer. Until next time, cheers.